made a video, but I want to clip the back end out. So I'm going to find which one it was. I kicked everything out, so I'm going to do this one more time. Alright, like that. I want to split right there, so I'm going to split that off because I don't want that in the intro. And then just hit delete. So I opened my logo, save image as, and then scroll to the end that I want to clip out. Okay, so this one didn't end up great. Okay, I guess I gotta grab that and move it. So drag that to the next spot that I want to clip out. Work, but that's the front. And it just took too long to do the back, but that's how you use an SVG on here. Alright, then I want to split right there. I don't want any of this, so then delete that. And this is what I was using, a web-based free. So then I can go to export, do MP4. And then this video is going to be called how to use an SVG in Fusion. I'll save that and then I'll upload this one too a few times. But the other thing I was going to do is how to make a thumbnail, but I just went here and took a screenshot. So I can go back to here and scale this out to wherever I want it, and then make sure I go layer, send to back, and there's my thumbnail. I can just go Fusion 360, change that to how to use an SVG 2025, and then I'll go to here, and I could lock this so I can, oh, that's the whole page. But what I want to do is get out of there, move this down to here, and then maybe the same with that. Just pull it up. I can just resize this whole thing. And then I will download that as a PNG and use that for the thumbnail when I upload.